Hello Ingram Micro partners. Welcome to this year's one event. My name is Ryan Grant and I'm the Executive Director within our Advanced Solutions business. And today I want to talk to you about one thing, and that's data. Data has become the lifeline to not only our businesses, but also our personal lives. We're requiring so much more from data in such an immediate fashion that we have channel partners calling us every day asking how they can harness technology to wrap around that data to be able to drive those business outcomes that their end customers are requiring. Over the years, we've seen a number of our channel partners start to engage with us at our integration center to be able to design, test, and deploy different types of technology wrapped around that data to drive those outcomes. So today I want to spend a little bit of time talking to you about our integration center, how you can leverage it along with the resources there to be able to deliver a better customer experience and be able to harness the power of the data. So with that, let's get started. So first, let's talk about our approach. Ingram Micro invested in a program management team that not only will help you stand up a new project, but also manage it from an ongoing perspective. And there's really two key investment areas that we focus in on. First is our NPI team. The NPI team is there to help you truly stand up the program and really come up with a complete end-to-end supply chain offering that's going to allow your customers to be able to have the best experience in the most financially efficient manner. We talk about things around supply chain management, pricing, bill of materials, work instructions, packaging requirements, shipping requirements, and anything else that is going to make this project a success. The second area of investment is specifically with our program management team. They typically take over from the NPI team and they'll manage your forecast, give you updates on your projects, and listen to any other requirements that you or your end customers have once that project's launched. Now let's talk about the facility. It's based in Southern California and it's 20,000 square feet of pure integration space. It was designed for those unique one-off data center projects all the way to large rollouts for enterprise, cloud service providers, and hyperscalers. When you enter into a project with Ingram Micro, you're going to go through a 5-step process. The first being receiving. Now, while receiving may seem simple, each one of our folks will actually inspect the product, ensure there's no damage, load it into our shop floor system, along with its serial numbers for complete traceability. From there, it goes on to our second step, which is our assemblers. And our assemblers, as they're working through the product, they also have to double check the work of the prior assembler, and they also have to take photos of each of the products that they have touched to ensure quality as well as traceability. The third step is config, test, and burn. And this is an opportunity for us to load unique customer IP onto the device itself, boot it up, burn in the components, and ensure that everything is working correctly. The fourth and one of the more critical steps is customer acceptance. With our unique VPN, you and your customers can log into our system and actually test the product before it leaves our facility and ensure that it meets the quality metrics that you're expecting out of that build. And then finally, packaging. While packaging may seem simple, we actually will sit down with you and understand what are the packaging requirements so that out-of-the-box experience is second to none. And that is our 5-step process within our facility. Now let's talk about the financial benefit for you. One of the biggest ahas we have when a customer visits our site is they see that our integration center is part of a 1 million square foot Ingram Micro warehouse. What that means is when you start a project with Ingram, all the inventory in terms of staging it and running it through the integration center, Ingram owns it the entire time. Billing actually doesn't start until it's shipped directly to the end customer. This allows you to free up a ton of working capital, allow you to deploy that in more profitable ways, and also allow you to design a very lean supply chain motion and give you a competitive advantage from an end customer perspective. So with that, I want to thank you for attending this year's Ingram Micro One event. For more information on our integration center and how we can help you and your partners, visit ingrammicro.com/ISG or reach out to your Ingram Micro sales rep and we can absolutely help you through that process and design a program that works for you and your customers. Thanks again, appreciate the partnership, and have a great show.